Hey guys, what's up? Nathan here from the Worship Journal Guitarist Edition and Worship Calling. I got our progression this week. Super simple as always. A, D, F sharp minor, into the E. But as always, I'm going to mix that up. So what am I going to do this week? What I'm going to do is I'm going way up here. I'm going to play the position 3 for my A. So remember, what is position 3? Position 3 is that open C chord shape, moving it all the way up here to make it an A. So that's what I'm going to play for my A, is that position 3. But I'm just going to play this little triad version. Just going to hang out right there. For my D, going to one of my favorites, position 5. Just that bottom half of position 5. Position 5, what would that be? Oh, it's an open G chord shape, but I'm playing it up here to make it a D. Again, just playing that bottom little bit. For my F sharp minor, I'm going to go into position 4. Position 4. It's that open A minor shape. I'm just moving it up here. I'm actually just going to play it like this. Just playing that little triad for my F sharp minor. And then my E, I'm going back to that position 5. That same position 5 that we played for the D. Moving it up there to make it the E. That's what I'm going to do this week. I'm going to kick on my delay and throw in some ambient, of course, like I always do. I think it sounds sweet. Love the fullness of that ambient with the delay. Love those little triads. I'm just adding to the music. Not trying to get it out there front and center and step over everybody. Just adding to the music. So if you're watching this on TikTok, as always, you're just getting a small little bit. Head over to YouTube. Check out my channel, Worship Calling. Look at the playlist. I have every week's chord progression. You can get the full scoop there. As always, make every strum count.